welcome on behalf of the Organization of Eastern Caribbean States to this handing over exercise or ceremony of a critical piece of equipment to the St. Lucia Solid Waste Management Authority as part of what we refer to as the ReMLit project, which seeks to support our member states in the whole thematic area of waste management, circular economy. The member states of the OECS, the Organization of Eastern Caribbean States, are all small island developing states. And as small island developing states, we are very focused on the whole issue of a blue economy, a green economy, circular economy, because our prosperity, our economic prospects, our livelihoods all depend on ensuring we have healthy natural resources. Almost every sector you consider, tourism, food security, etc., depends on those healthy natural resources. And one of the issues that is critical to whether the blue economy, the green economy, is the issue of waste management.
Plastics are not the only waste that affects the marine environment. You also have organic waste getting into the marine environment. When you think of driftwood, it had to come from a tree. It had to come from a plant. So with that, this loader most definitely is going to be put into good use.
The issue of waste management has matured, and we are referring more to issues of circular economy, where it's not just about collecting and dumping waste, but we're speaking about recycling, we're speaking about upcycling.
You could see our composting initiative here. This is what the loader specifically is going to be used to do. It's going to be used in the composting initiative. So that green waste which comes in could be transformed into something viable and useful.
And so under this current initiative that is supported by the government of Norway, the Organization of Eastern Caribbean States is supporting multiple OECS member states, including St. Lucia, to be able to have the capacity and the resources needed to support the critical work that they are doing in this regard. And so we are very pleased to be able to, through collaboration with our supplier, who is also a local supplier in Renault Group of companies, to be able to today officially hand over this backhoe or loader to the St. Lucia Solid Waste Management Authority. The OECS Commission is so pleased to be able to work with St. Lucia, work with the Solid Waste Management Authority, and we know that this equipment will be put into good use, and we look forward to the results that we can say would be a model for the other member states to continue to carry on this goal. So
I thank you immensely, and I hope that we could continue to partner as we realize goals across the region. Again, thank you very much.